Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So this has been highly requested. I posted these nails on Instagram and they've been a really big hit. So loads of you have been asking for a tutorial. So I finally got round to doing one for you. It's really super easy, and obviously you can do it in whatever colour combination that you want to. But it's just a different sort of take on the glitter cuffs that have been quite popular. So this is sort of the chrome cuff look, and I chose to do sort of the rose gold and the navy because I thought it would be quite stylish and nice together. So yeah, we're just going to get straight into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is use Magpie gel colour in Peach Gimme Strength. This is what I used on my natural nails. So this sort of gives quite a nice base colour. So once the Gimme Strength has been fully cured, I'm going to then get Magpie Don't Be Tacky, and I'm just going to do a nice even layer of this. You do have to wait for this to settle before curing, so it has sort of the little dimples and stuff in it. You have to sort of use this just a little bit thicker just to make sure that you've got that nice sort of full coverage. So it doesn't take very long for it all to settle and go nice and shiny. So, and then we can cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. So then I'm going to get Magpie Dust, and this is Chrome Jewel Rosetta, so it's the rose gold chrome. And to apply, I'm going to be using the chrome tool and the silicone tool. So I've already got the head on there that I use for Rosetta, and I'm going to use the fatter end of the silicone tool to rub it in. So I'm going to get the chrome tool, and I'm just going to wipe around the edge of the bottle. So that is probably a good amount, and I'm just going to rub this over the whole nail, obviously really focusing on the top of the nail. You don't particularly need to worry too much about the rest. I would say the top and the side walls up here are what is most important. And then I'm just going to get the silicone tool, and I'm just going to rub that dust in so it goes really nice and smooth and shiny. But again, like I said, you don't particularly need to worry too much about the bottom. It is more about applying it nicely to the top and around the side walls. Then I'm just going to get my Magpie buffer in the 240, so one side is file, one side is a buffer, and I'm just going to really lightly do 2 swipes at the bottom. Now the reason I do this is obviously to stop the chrome peeling, so this is what I would do anyway if this was just a normal chrome nail, but especially because we're then putting more gel on top, we don't want things to be peeling off, and that way it just means that there's a nice rough edge for the top coat and things to sit to. So then I'm just going to use the Magpie duster brush, and I'm going to brush off any excess underneath the free edge as well. I'm going to get Magpie gel colour in Let It Shine, and my first layer of top coat is going to just be really nice and quite thin, so you don't need a lot of product on your brush. You don't want any of this product sort of lifting off of the nail as such. So cap the free edge, and I'm going to cure that. So, and then once that first layer of top coat has been cured, then you can just get your top coat and just do a bit more of a generous layer. The reason that I'm double top coating this is we're going to buff to put the other gel colour on, so I don't want to buff any of the chrome off. So then for colour, I'm going to use Magpie gel colour Midnight Sky, and just to kind of help, I'm going to use the Magpie detailer brush, so it's a really small one that looks like that. And then I've also just got my trusty ring thing as well. So once that's been fully cured, I'm going to get the Magpie cleanser and a lint-free wipe. I'm just going to wipe off that tacky layer. And then I'm just going to get my buffer again. And all I want to do is just kind of mattify this. I don't want to be doing a lot else. It's just a real light buff over the whole nail. Do the free edge as well, just to make sure that all of that gel does stick to the free edge and nothing comes off. And then I'm just gonna wipe with the cleanser again. So obviously it depends how close or apart you want your cuff to be. Mine's pretty large, medium, I would say. So yeah, it depends what you want to do, but just start a little bit below where you want it to finish and then sort of push up the brush, and then obviously just bring your brush down, and then you can just curve with your brush like that, obviously making sure to cap the free edges. Then just with a little bit of the gel and my detailer brush, just going to go in and really make sure that that line is nice and curvy. And I'm going to cure that, and then once that's been cured, I'm just going to go in with another layer of the navy just to make sure that everything's nice and opaque. You probably won't need to do your detailer brush with this because you can just follow the line, but if you need to, you can do. And I'm going to cure that in my lamp. And then just to finish off, I'm getting Let It Shine, which is the top coat again, and I just want to do one nice generous layer of this top coat over the whole nail. You only need to top coat this once, you won't need to do it twice because the chrome's already been top coated. So I'm going to cure that for the final time. Then I'm just going to get the Magpie cleanser and a lint-free wipe, and I'm just going to wipe off the tacky layer from the top coat, and then there you have it, a chrome cuff. So these look really quite nice and stylish. I would say they're more stylish than most of the nails that I probably do, but I just fancied something quite different, and obviously seen loads of people doing sort of the glitter cuffs, but I just thought that this was quite different, and the rose gold and the navy go super nice together. Did try out a couple of other colours before I actually did the navy. I did try out sort of a nude colour which looks really nice as well, and like a deep purple colour and a sort of burgundy colour as well. So you can literally put anything with this rose gold chrome. It looks really pretty. So I hope that you like this demo, guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.